You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 5/7x to both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/12. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 6.